It's no secret that crocodiles and alligators are leftovers from the dinosaur age. They are virtually the same except possibly for size, that is, they're smaller today. There have been literally thousands of sightings of dinosaur-like water creatures in many lakes around the world, including, yes, the Loch Ness Monster. Now, another dinosaur that has been reported by those that live in the Congo is called the Mimbe. The meaning is one who stops the flow of rivers. This dinosaur has been sighted numerous times in the Lukula swamp region of the Congo. The dinosaur is consistently described by the natives to look like a sauropod-type dinosaur. There have been a number of sightings of dinosaurs over the last 1.5 centuries. Carl Baugh, in his book, Against All Odds, shows a number of pictures or artifacts that have pictures of dragons/dinosaurs on them. These artifacts were made about 1,300 years ago. Out of all of the 1,100 Ica burial stones discovered over the last few decades, that is, since the 1930s, almost 1/3 of them have historically accurate images of dinosaurs. These include Triceratops, Stegosaurus, and the Pterosaurus. The other burial stones seem to depict other real-life experiences of the Icas. Now, these stones were made hundreds of years before modern man even knew about dinosaurs. The Grand Canyon has had drawings of what looks like a dinosaur. Stories of confrontations with dragons are numerous in ancient Chinese culture and in other parts of the Far East. Soft tissue has been discovered in dinosaur fossils. Well, why is this significant? Because scientists have generally agreed that soft tissue can exist for thousands of years, but not millions. That would mean that these dinosaur fossils cannot be tens of millions of years old, as we have been told. Now, the study of the soft tissue found in a bone of the T-Rex was harshly criticized by many scientists. It did not fit their evolutionary ideas. Some of them said that the study by biologist Mary Schweitzer had compromised the specimens used. They proclaimed that the soft tissue could have been from bacteria, that is, biofilms. Well, she later did another study on the soft tissue of another dinosaur fossil, that is, a duck-billed dinosaur called a hadrosaur. She took great care to handle everything in such a way so that it could never be said that anything had been contaminated. The results were staggering. Here's what she found: collagen, elastin, laminin. The structures were incredibly resembling cells of both blood and bone, and none of them were fossilized. This shows that the dinosaurs had existed just a few thousand years ago, not 65 million years as we were taught. Carbon-14 tests have been applied to 4 separate dinosaurs. Now, this method of testing limits the age just to thousands of years, that is, under 100,000 years. This is a small fraction of the 65 million years that are given to the age of dinosaurs. These results of the tests of the dinosaur bones showed that these dinosaurs lived just thousands of years ago, not tens of millions. The evidence seems to be overwhelming. Numerous drawings of dinosaurs dating back hundreds of years, numerous references to dinosaurs, called dragons at that time, through much of history, abundant human fossil footprints that have been found in many locations that were in the layers of the dinosaur age, fossilized human footprints that have crossed dinosaur footprints, human footprints inside of dinosaur footprints, human artifacts in every layer of rock, including those that dinosaurs lived in, soft tissue discovered in dinosaur fossils, and of course the carbon-14 tests that have shown that dinosaurs are just thousands of years old, not tens of millions. Have humans and dinosaurs lived together? Well, history, fossils, carvings, drawings, carbon-14 tests, and even recent sightings tend to give overwhelming evidence that these giant creatures may still exist, or have at least been living on Earth during the last few centuries. In the next few days, you'll be receiving videos that will explain the four main supports for the theory of evolution and how all four of them have been removed by science. Thank you for watching these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.